Guys, look at this beautiful sign here saying Karibu Thika. Thika is an awesome town in Kenya. It has a lot of physical activities, businesses, and so forth. So let's tour the uptown for you to be able to see the awesome Thika town. And then also I'm going to take you downtown for you to see what is happening in the downtown, okay? Let's go, guys. Start with the uptown and then go also downtown for you to be able to see what is happening in downtown Thika, right? So guys, as I'm walking you through Thika, let me give you a brief history of this awesome town. So Thika is a major industrial town in the country, and I'm saying so because this town is full of industries, full of economic hubs which are actually assisting residents and also Kenyans at large. And just to give you an example, for example, this is the headquarters or the home of Bidco Industries, okay? This guys also is the headquarters or is the home of companies like, for example, Del Monte, companies like, for example, I've forgotten the name, but the company which makes Soko, maize flour, Amaze flour, you know, company which makes Pal Pishori and so forth. So you can see this is a major economic hub for the country. And right now I'm just walking through this highway to go and show you some awesome buildings the other side of the town. As you can see, we headed that other side of the town. It is a very beautiful town. And as I've said, this town began about 100 years ago, because the very big monument which I've already shown you behind them is a monument which was established early in 1990s. And of course, the town gained town status about 99 years ago, and then it obtained its municipality status when Kenya became independent in 1963. So I'm going to show you the uptown section and then also downtown section of the town. So guys, you can see there is a lot of businesses, like for example behind me you can see the Isuzu base here in Thika, which actually sells vehicles from Isuzu company and also does trade on products relating to Isuzu company, okay? And in front of me here you can see another big business hub which has eateries, like for example Pizza Inn, it has Green Inn, and also other business, like for example you can see the Thika Dental Care, which is a hospital that is actually there to deal with dental issues in this particular county. It's a private facility, okay? And behind me here you can see also there is vehicles, individuals going about their business, right? So guys, as you can see, it is a very busy town. The highway, people doing their own thing, you know, things are going on and it's just awesome, okay? So you can see it's a very awesome place to live in, and actually in this particular town no one is gonna bother you. Everything's just going on seamlessly. Businesses are thriving and people are going about their business seamlessly. Everything's going on very well, guys, okay? You can see banks behind me, you can see malls, you can see everything going on pretty well, you know. Look at that, guys, that's Standard Bank behind me, okay? This other side you can see a road too with awesome buildings. Look at that, guys. It's a beautiful place, right? This other side you can see some other banks too going about their business. So this tells you this is a major economic hub. Businesses are thriving, okay? And then you can see also behind me there's different means of transport. You can see some border people there who carry people, awesome buildings the other side, okay? And then also you can see businesses behind me which are thriving, small businesses selling clothes, selling shoes, and so forth. Guys, this tells you that this town is buzzing with economic activities. Everything is awesome. And by the way, to be frank with you guys, I think around Nairobi, this is actually one of the biggest towns. And I'm saying so because even just taking an example of Kiambu County, right? In Kiambu County, Kiambu is the headquarters of Kiambu County, Kiambu Town. But beyond that, we're talking about Thika actually being the biggest town in Kiambu County. Even though it isn't the administrative headquarters, it is the biggest town, right? And of course, look at my right, guys. You can see a series of banks, okay? There's Prime Bank there, there's I&M, there's National Bank there. So this tells you that all these are actually supporters of the economic activities in this awesome town, because everything is thriving, people are doing well, economic activities are on, and everything is just cool in this particular place, guys, right? Look at those awesome banks behind me, Kingdom Bank and so forth. This tells you this particular town is thriving, is doing well. I don't really want to focus on them because you can see all is well, right? Let me cross the road. And even so, guys, you can see beautiful hotels. Like for example, there is awesome hotel here called Coconut Grill Hotel, which is also one of the major hotels in this beautiful town, right? So as I'm walking through, I'm heading towards a place called Quickmart. And of course, I'm pretty sure wherever you are in Kenya, you have seen Quickmart. Quickmart is one of the biggest supermarket chains in the country. And so right ahead of me, you're gonna see there is Quickmart, this branch of Thika. Look at those awesome buildings. What do you think? What do you think about those awesome buildings, right? And also you can see that a building under construction, which is also a very tall building. It's being constructed the other side. Look at it. It's actually finished. I think now is point of occupancy. It's doing very well, okay? What do you think about this? And of course, guys, as I was saying, Thika is a buzzing town. And in fact, this town is very fascinating because a good number of people here are actually employed through business, or even so, they are employed in different factories in this beautiful town. As you can see, behind me, you can see Quickmart. This is the branch of Thika, right? And it is the hotel I was talking to you about, the other side behind them. That Coconut Grill Hotel, right? Guys, look at this beautiful building this side. It is very massive and beautiful to look at it, right? So beautiful, right? So there is a lot of businesses here doing very well. Everything is good. Look at the other side, guys. There is that building there doing well. Economic activities are buzzing in this beautiful town. What do you think about this? Look at that building, guys. So good, right? This is Thika. And of course, where I'm going, guys, it is the other end, whereby you enter Thika through. When you're coming through Nairobi, it is the other end. So let me take you there for you to know the